Hi, I want to talk about this test solution single phase dummy load today. Basically, the device is pretty handy. You can carry it. You can stand it from on this side or lie it down. It's got a 1 amp fuse there. It doesn't draw much current from the wall. So basically, what it does is it can give close to 100 amp power while only drawing, let's say, 300 milliamp from the wall socket. So pretty energy saving. Plus it gives you pure sine wave, so that's another good advantage. I've seen lots of people where they trying to test smart meters, etc., or any legacy meters, etc., energy meters in that matter. What they do, they use lots of light bulbs or like heaters, and the problem with those are as you try to draw current, you're actually drawing currents from the wall, which is not very energy efficient. Let's say in a heater, 3 kilowatt heater, it gives you 13 amps, which basically 13 amps come from inside your wall socket, where this one is only, again, at 100 amps, only draws 60 watt from the wall. But if you try to use the heaters and start to get 100 amps, that would be 23 kilowatts, which means 330 times more than what this thing does. So that's why I'm quite proud of it. As I said, I had this so you can measure the output, input current, and again 300 milliamp. Sorry, it's not much. The idea was you can use clamp meters, etc., clip on, etc., straight away with this, or open this and use any other CTs that you can test it. It gives you close to 100 amps, not quite 100 amps, but my recommendation is to use it for up to 50 ampish. What else I can say? It's if I'm turning it on, I can show you. So 0 amps, and you can see at 0, only the whole thing is only draws 50 milliamp from the wall. Hope you can see it. And at full, close to 99.9 amp, you can see it's only got 170 milliamp. So this can carry 100 amps, no problem. But because it gets hot, etc., the voltage drops. Plus, I haven't tightened this one pretty much. So let's try with a smart meter. But the other thing I've done is trying to use some of my other meters that I've got. So I've been trying to use that to see how close this thing comes to. Testing EDMI meters, which is one of the advantages of this one is, well, basically you should turn it off, and I made it basically enough so you can go through any meters, from legacy meters to smart meters. And since these meters won't turn on till you power them up, I have to use this. Again. Minimum, I will set safe, and you can hear clicking, so that turns on. So at 100 amp, you can see 67, 68ish, and that's what the EDMI meter gives. So they're very close. The reason why it doesn't give you close to 100 amp as before is because of the extra burden that we have in series. So basically there's a connected here, contact here. There could be a relay in between. So for that reason, you get that much. Doesn't give you full amount. So that's what I want to talk to you about. Thank you very much.